Hey, Christian here with the Groundwork team, here to show you one of our new features, the measurement tool using Google Maps. So you can actually add that as a question to have your customers measure their area, either in their backyard, for a deck, for a driveway. So in this case, we're actually looking at a driveway. I'm in the flow editor here. So if you click on the flow, you can get to the flow editor. We'll then create a block. So in this case, we have this block here. We added a question. Or it could be text. And then we're doing our answer type is going to be measurement. So when you click that, it'll give you two different measurement types. You have area or linear feet. So in this case, we're doing area since it's for power washing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. Also, be sure to scroll to the very bottom and hit that update flow button anytime you're editing your flow. So I'm going to go to the lead dashboard here. We actually already have one set up. So I'm going to click on this link. And this is what the customer is going to go through here. So they're going to actually go through some of these questions. In this case, we'll do this week. And then driveway for the power. What type of washing do you need done? So we'll click next here. So then we get the Google Maps view. You can always pan around. You can zoom in. You can also zoom with these buttons here. I'm going to zoom all the way in here. And then you can just simply click and you can trace this out. All right, and we have it traced out here. It actually shows the square feet right below here. It also gives some instructions as well. So if I accidentally click outside, I can go into the delete box here, and then I can delete these pins. So this is how you can have your customers do some measurements for you. Super helpful. Do let me know if you have any questions. You can always reach out to support@hellogroundwork.com, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.